Hi guys, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and welcome to our Make It in Minutes Monday. We are super excited to be with you here today. We have a fun card. We're keeping it more on the masculine side today. Being that it is the end of the catalogs and coming up with the new one here shortly, we are going to go back and work with our tasteful touches. One of the reasons is that our designer series paper that does match this is carrying over into the next annual catalog. So this will just give you some more options that you can use. We're going to start out with our tasteful label dies. I'm going to take this one right here and set it aside. And we got some pieces here. You're going to want to make sure that you check our blog posting on this. We'll have all the measurements for you. We are going to be using a couple sentiments, the just saying hello, and then this textured background one. All right, to get started, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of stamping first. Just saying hello, we're going to stamp that in our Night of Navy ink. We're going to take our smaller piece with the plain background and stamp with our little design element, and I have a piece of scrap paper underneath, and we're just going to randomly stamp. Now we're going to bring in our mini stamp and emboss cutting machine, and we are going to die cut this out. Now what's really cool about these plates that come with it is that they are numbered for you, and it tells you exactly what you need to do if you want to do die cutting. So we're going to place this down, and then we're going to put this on top. Number 2 comes second, so that clear one down there, and then we're going to put a piece of paper and our element to cut. Now I'm going to use a post-it note to hold this in place because, or a piece of washi tape, which is handy. This die is a little smaller than my stamped image, but that's okay, it'll still work. Now we're going to put this all together and run it through our machine. Now when I take this up, I'm going to be very gentle because I don't want it to rip my paper. Some washi tape is extra sticky out there. Okay, now we are ready to start assembling. Now this white piece, we're just going to put on the inside of the card. I'm going to give this a little bit of a burnish with our bone folder. That just gives it a good crease. Okay, next we're going to take this piece, but we're going to use the other side of it. We're going to adhere this piece onto this other one here. We're going to bring in some thin linen thread and some dimensionals. We're going to pop this up on dimensionals. So now we're going to peel off the back of these. Now I didn't measure how much linen thread I cut off. I just took maybe, I don't know, 12, 13 inches. And I'm just going to play around with it after I get it mounted. First, I am going to adhere this. You can pop this up on dimensionals as well. Okay, now with this, I am going to just going to wrap some of these around my fingers, and I'm just going to plop it on the back. You really could add some other elements to it if you wanted to put some gems or gold accents. You certainly can do that, but we're just going to leave it plain today. We really hope you enjoyed this card, and if you did like it, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.